5 time-saving hacks for graphic designers. Feeling swamped with revisions and tight deadlines? Every graphic designer knows the struggle of wanting to produce amazing work while the clock seems to tick faster. But fear not, fellow creative. Here are 5 time-saving hacks that can streamline your workflow and free up precious minutes or even hours in your day. First, master the art of the mockup and style tile. Before diving headfirst into detailed design, take a step back. Mockups and style tiles are your best friends for setting expectations and saving time on revisions. Mockups are basic representations of your design placed in a real-world context, like a website layout on a phone screen. Use mockups early on to present core layouts and user flows to clients. Style tiles are collages that establish the overall visual direction, include fonts, color palettes, and imagery to ensure everyone is on the same page about the design aesthetic. By getting client buy-in on these initial stages, you can avoid major revisions later on. A second hack is that keyboard shortcuts are your superpower. Stop wasting time hunting through menus. Learn and leverage the keyboard shortcuts for your design software. Most programs offer a plethora of shortcuts for common actions like copying, pasting, aligning objects, and applying effects. Spending a little time up front to memorize these shortcuts can shave off massive chunks of time throughout your workday. The third hack is to embrace the power of templates and presets. There's no shame in starting with a solid foundation. Many design programs offer a wealth of pre-built templates and presets for things like social media graphics, presentations, and email layouts. Utilize these as a starting point, then customize them to fit your specific project needs. This can be a huge time saver, especially for repetitive tasks. The hack in fourth place is to organize your files like a pro. A disorganized workspace leads to wasted time searching for lost files. Develop a clear and consistent file naming system that makes it easy to find what you need. Utilize subfolders for different project components and consider using version numbers to keep track of revisions. Additionally, explore the built-in organization tools within your design software to categorize and manage assets efficiently. Finally, batch similar tasks. Together, multitasking is often a myth, but there's power in batching similar tasks. For example, instead of responding to client emails one at a time, dedicate a specific time slot to tackle them all in a batch. Similarly, group similar design edits together, for example, applying the same color change to multiple elements to minimize repetitive actions. This approach helps you stay focused and avoid context switching, ultimately saving you precious time. By implementing these time-saving hacks, you can free up valuable time in your day to focus on the creative aspects you love. Remember, a little planning and organization can go a long way in boosting your productivity and keeping you feeling cool, calm, and collected, even under tight deadlines. Now, go forth and conquer that design project. Hit subscribe and join the Big Pie Creative fam for all things design.